Good.
My name is Teresia Wawero from Heritage of Faith and Hope Children's Home, Kenya, Africa. And we take care of poor and vulnerable children, orphaned in Kenya. And our passion is to give them hope, future, shelter, clothing, and education is paramount in everything that we do. And what we do here, we have income generating, whereby we are producing food and for sale in order to support this project. And we have animal farm, whereby we have dairy cattle, we have rabbits, we have chicken, and among many in a small way. And another thing we do, we encourage children to work in all these so that they can be in a home, and this place must be homely because they must grow like any other responsible Kenyan. And another thing we do is we encourage them to learn and even to get better marks in school, because we must produce a product that will help this country in future. And recently, when we were thinking about that, we thought about their education, and their education is very expensive because secondary school education we have to pay $600 per month. And God spoke to my heart, and I decided to come up with a project whereby a child can educate a child, and we registered it with the government of Kenya as Child Educates a Child Foundation, whereby we are campaigning in schools, primary schools, secondary schools, and colleges. Primary school child can support another child with 20 shillings per month. Secondary school children can support with about 50 shillings per month. And college child can support with 100 shillings per month. And the parents can support us with whatever they are able to support us with in order to bring a pool to support the children to school. And recently, I came up with a thought that I can involve the international children, because this world, we must make it better. And I thought that as a primary school child in the international countries can donate $1 every month, and secondary school children can donate about $2-3 to support this worthy cause. And the college children can donate about $50, $20, $10, and their parents can come up with a figure of about $30 to $50 per month. And in addition to that, the companies, the institutions can support us with $100 minimum as we continue to campaign. Another thing we would like to request people is to come in, support us, help us to bring up this foundation in order to support the children of this country to secondary school and to acquire education which will give them a future. And through it, you will be able to touch many people, many children. And in addition to that, you will create jobs in this country. Another thing we would request, whoever is willing to support Heritage of Faith and Hope through this initiative of Child Educates a Child, can go through Partners Worldwide in Michigan, that is in Grand Rapids. Every fund that can be paid through them, it will definitely come to us, and it will be of very good help to us and even to the children of this country. You are welcome to support us, because we must leave this world better than we found it, and we must make a future of these children brighter than how it is today. You are welcome to support and to partner with us in everything we are doing for the kingdom of God. May God bless you so much as you continue to think about it. God bless you.